This is Mr. Loreline with your weekly roundup for Literature 7 from October 12th until October 16th. So we're going to get to the end of our novel, The City of Ember. We're actually going to be finishing up the novel these first 2 days of this week on Monday and then Tuesday. We'll finish up the movie because we only got about 10 to 15 minutes left there that we started last week. Then on Wednesday, we are going to have some compare and contrast between the book and the movie edition. Of course, we have already talked about a few of those changes last week. On Thursday, we're going to have some fun with some illustrating the last scene from The City of Ember and then show those illustrations. And then on Friday, we're going to review all of the different type of standards that we focused on this first unit of literature. So that's your weekly roundup for this week for Literature 7.